Good morning, student. Today in chapter 4, our next topic is Rise of Islam in Arabia. Now, the Quran. Quran is the holy book of the Islam. This book is written in the Arabic language. This language was the language of the Prophet Muhammad. The Quran contains the ethical guidance and laws by which Muslims or the followers of the Islam they should live and live their lives. It means that according to the these ethical guidelines and the laws, all the people, those who are the followers of the Islam religion, they live their life according to the norms of this Quran. The Muslim observance of the Ramadan is to commemorate the recording of the holy text. Ramadan, Ramadan या Ramzan भी कहते हैं. The ninth month of the Islamic year, observed as the sacred with fasting practice daily from dawn to sunset. So all these observation, all these things of the Ramzan, that one also they keeping the record in this book Quran. After the revelation, after Muhammad received his revelation, he went to his wife Khadija. She was his first convert to the new religion. It means that his wife was the first person who convert her religion, or we may be saying that she also adopted this new religion. He began to try to convert the people of the Makkah to his message. But he was unsuccessful because of the opposition of the wealthy merchants. On that time, the people of the Makkah they were against the Prophet Muhammad. They were not interested to change their religion and adopted the path of the Prophet Muhammad. So the Prophet Muhammad faced a lot of opposition in the Makkah. The Islamic calendar. Muslim and their new religion had faced considerable opposition from the Makkans. Muslims and new religion, both, they faced a lot of the opposition from the Makkans. In in the Makkah, in 622, Muhammad was forced to migrate with his followers to Yathrib. Yathrib was the name of the Medina. This Medina is 430 kilometer away from the Makkah. So Prophet Muhammad moved from Makkah to Medina with his followers. The year of his journey marked the beginning of the Muslim calendar, which one is also known as the Hijra era. Now the rise of the Islam in Arabia. The Yathrib, renamed Medina, which means the city of prophet. Muhammad was accepted and gained followers. It means that in this city, in the Medina, the people welcomed the Muhammad and accepted the this new religion, Islam religion. And here he also gained a lot of in the lakhs of the followers in Medina. One of the group which converted to the new religion of Islam were the Bedouins who were desert Arabs. These were the people, these were the tribal people, Bedouins. Okay, so this group firstly converted his religion and adopted the Islam religion. This new community became the first to practice the religion. After several years, Muhammad became both a spiritual and a political leader. There was not an idea of the separation of the church and the state. Like in the Christian religion and the administration, both were different. But in this Muslim religion, here we see that Prophet Muhammad also guided both the spiritual religion as well as the politics of that period. He raised an army. Prophet Muhammad also raised an army and conquered the city of Mecca. Kaaba. After Muhammad took the city of Mecca, now Muhammad conquered the Mecca city. He cleansed the Kaaba of idols and dedicated it to Allah. Kaaba. Kaaba now in this time also is the holy place, pilgrimage center of the Muslim people. On that time, in this Kaaba, there were the idols, murtiyan. Okay, so then Muhammad cleaned all these idols and declared that it is without. Now this area, now he made without the idols and dedicated it to Allah. Who he taught was that one true God. Allah was the only one God. All Muslims are encouraged to make a pilgrimage to Mecca known as the Hajj at least one of their life if they are physically and financially able. So, in the Quran, this was also written that every Muslim has to visit to the Kaaba once in his life. If physically or financially he or she able, so then visited to this pilgrimage center, which one also this journey known as the Hajj Yatra. This is the picture of Kaaba. Now, importance of Makkah. It was in this city that Muhammad lived and controlled the main shrine, a cube-like structure known as the Kaaba, in which idols were placed. Now, in this Kaaba, Prophet Muhammad put their own type of the idols. This structure, now in this time also, that this is the cube-like structure. Tribes outside Mecca also considered the Kaaba holy. Tribal people, they were also give respect this place like as the holy place and placed their idols in it and made annual pilgrimage to this shrine called the Hajj. Makkah was located on the crossroad of a trade route between Yemen and Syria, which added to the importance of the city. Now, this Makkah, this city, was located in between the this two main countries on that time, Yemen and Syria, which was the important route for the trade. Okay, now again you see this is the picture of the Kaaba and people here you see that thousands or the lakhs of the people they were visited every year of their this pilgrimage center. Okay student, next topic we will cover in our next video. Thank you.